It's time for the Blues Harp Biker. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Blues Harp Biker channel. All right, well, I'm out here fooling around in my shop today. Yesterday I came out here and all the batteries were dead on my bikes. Well, the Triumph and the Sportster had dead batteries. And I don't usually put a battery tender on them because I don't really need them. I'm coming at you from Fresno in the Golden Central Valley of the great state of California, so we don't have real extreme weather here, except for hot weather. And well, the Triumph battery was kind of funky when I bought it. It was about half dead when I should have took it back, but it was dead when I bought it, and then I just put the charger on it and it seemed to work. Sportster I left the key on, so I'll take responsibility for that. But anyways, I got to looking at the Sportster when I pulled the seat off of it, and you know, decided to charge the battery, and it's been neglected. It's dusty. Oh man, I'm terrible about this, but it's so dusty out here. I live out in the country, and there's just, the dust is terrible out here. But anyways, I've decided, you know, well, first of all, let's see if this thing will start. Looks like we got some power. Okay. Let's see what's happening here. Yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah, man. Haven't started it in 2 weeks. So there we go. All right. So we'll just pull the battery charger off of it here real fast, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. You know, I have this cool little bobber seat on it. I have this cool little bob with this cool little rack, and you know, oh, come on you, let's just get back in place here. Okay, so it's got this cool little rack on it with the cool little bobber seat. You know, it's crooked right now because I don't have it quite on there right, but oh, okay, there we go, it's kind of okay. All right, so I got this cool little bobber seat on it with this cool little rack, and you know, I like it to look like a bobber, kind of a 50s vibe. But then I got to thinking about it when I pulled the seat off of it, that it's not a 50s bike. This is a 90s motorcycle. It's a 1999, and it came with this modern-esque 90s looking seat with a Sissy bar on it. And I got to thinking, it might look better with that back on it. You know, you know, let's turn it back into a 90s bike. Yeah, because that's what it is. And I also think that the seat that was on it originally is a little more comfortable, but that's another story. But I think I want to put the Sissy bar and the full seat back on it and go original with it again. You know, just something to do. So I'm going to throw that on real quick and see what it looks like again. That's the way it was when I bought it. So, you know, give a little Sportster love here. But don't forget, before we go too much further, you got to subscribe to the channel. Give me that thumbs up. It'll tell you that you like what I'm doing, and also hit that little bell. That bell will notify you whenever I put up new content. I do videos every Tuesday and Saturday, although, sorry everybody, I missed last Tuesday. I had a whole bunch of other things going on. And so let's get started here. But before we do, we got something we got to take care of real fast.
Sticker trade shout out.
All right, today's sticker trade shout out goes to Toby Northern. Toby Northern is from Kentucky, and he's got a great YouTube channel, does a lot of DIY stuff, a lot of tips and tricks, riding and talking, motovlog. You know, he does a little bit of everything on the channel. He's got a cool Harley Road Glide Ultra, and he sent me this cool sticker right here. You guys can see it, and a great letter. How's Cali treating you? I hope you are well and enjoy your time on twos. If you're ever in the Louisville or Elizabethtown, Kentucky area, look me up for a ride. Until then, ride safe, stay healthy, and keep the skinny side up. Yeah, all right. Well, there you go, friends. Toby Northern, check his channel out. He's got a great channel on YouTube. We've been following each other for a long time. So there you go. Go ahead and support. That's how we keep it all going, and we all want to support our friends. All right, that sticker trade shout out. If you guys want to do a sticker trade and want to be involved in the sticker trade shout out, my address is in the description below. And be sure to check out Toby Northern. All right, well, since I already had this here seat off, there isn't going to be a whole lot of instruction here. Of course, I didn't say I'm one to instruct anybody on anything, but how these Sportster seats fit on is there's a little catch right there, and it fits right on this thing. You slide it in, and it catches there. And then there's one screw back here that holds the seat on. And they got these things are pretty cool right here. They're kind of like a molly with a lock nut on it. It's a little, with a lock washer on it. These things are cool right here. It's kind of a little molly with a lock washer that holds it on. You can just thread right into it there. If it's in your way, you can remove it too. But anyways, same thing with the rack. So I'm going to go ahead and take that rack off of there now. And we'll slip that other seat on there. I'm going to wipe this down too so it isn't so damn dusty. But anyway, all right. Well, let's get started on it. There's the Triumph. The Triumph's not running too good right now for some reason. It's giving me a little bit of grief. I think when I changed tanks over, I think I might have got some bad gas in it. But let's start it for fun, since we're out here having fun today. Oops. Let it run out of gas. There we go. That ain't sounding too bad today. Make sure I turn the key off so I don't have another dead battery on it. Doesn't sound too bad today. I gotta take it for a ride. It's starting to get dusty too. You know, if I let them sit for a couple days, they get dusty out here. All right, well, let's go back to the Sportster. Stay focused. Right, there it is. Back to the 90s. Yeah, all right. Look at this thing, man. Yeah, I probably did look cooler with the little bobber seat on it, but if you were in 1999 and you bought this Sportster brand new, and you bought it here with the cool little short sissy bar on the back, almost has a chopper vibe to it, you know. man, you were cool, you know? So I like it. I'm gonna leave it for a while. You know, plus, honestly, this seat's a lot more comfortable than the other seat that was on it. Yeah, cool, man. Cool. Let's see how it feels. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a lot more comfortable. Yeah, I think it's a lot more comfortable. All right. Well, cool, man. All right, man, there she is. Back to the 90s. I can't get over how this thing looks now. It's like a time machine going backwards, you know? I know that people are going to say it looked better before, but I think it's cool. I don't know. I'm easy to be amused, I guess. Cool. I should clean it up, you know. The problem with this bike is that when I wash this bike, it doesn't start for a couple of days afterwards for some reason. I can't figure out why. The other bikes are okay, but this one, it will not start. So I don't know, maybe I can do a little S100 to it and just kind of go over it lightly. I'd like to ride it so I don't feel like, you know, getting it completely deluged in water. But cool, all right. One other thing I'd like to do to this is one of these days I'd like to put some chrome shocks back on here. But these are awfully good shocks. They're Burleys. And these shocks apparently are a couple $100, $200 or $300 new. So, but if anybody's got any chrome shocks they want to get rid of for a Sportster, let me know, you know. Maybe I'll take them off your hands. I think it would look pretty cool if I had this thing all the way stock again. All right, well, cool. Except for these, I had to put those on because my other ones just fell apart. I love this motorcycle. Yeah, it's just a plain old Sportster, but I love this motorcycle. This thing's got character. It's got a life of its own. It rides like no other Sportster I've ever ridden, and it's a beast. All right, there it is. Sportster. I'm really digging it. That's crazy. I know it's silly. It's silly, but it just tickles me when I do stuff like that. All right. All right. And don't forget the Softail over here. Yeah. One of these days, soon, we're gonna. My buddy Scott has agreed to come over, and we're gonna go through the wiring on this and get this thing to where, you know, the lights work and stuff. It's got a flat tire too. Some episode I'll pull that tire off and we'll put a new tube in it. Anyways, well, cool. Well, that's it. Well, that's it for today, friends. Thanks for tuning in. Just having a little fun in the shop today. Keep an eye out for the next episode every Tuesday and Saturday at 9 a.m. Pacific time. Sorry again, I missed last Tuesday, but I had a whole bunch of things going on and I just couldn't get anything happening. Tune in Saturday, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, give me that like, and also hit that little bell. That bell's going to let you know whenever I put up new content. And like I said, every Tuesday and Saturday. Thank you, Toby Northern, for the sticker trade. And also, if you guys want to do sticker trade, P.O. Box 4175, Fresno, California, 93744. The address is in the description below. Keep an eye out for The 4 rectangles in each corner of the screen, those are my previous videos. Check those out. Thank you for subscribing. Have a good time. Be safe, be cool, take care of each other, and we are going to see you next time. Thanks a lot, friends, for tuning in to the Blues Heart Biker channel.